Alright, this step gets fun. What we're going to do is use the model as a mask. And so we're going to take the model layer, put it right on top of the mountains. It will totally block out the mountains except for the model himself. He'll act like the eye holes in a mask. So a couple ways we can do this. First would be to select mountains, and we did this in Picto Word. Hold down the Alt key until you get the square and click. And that's pretty cool. Another way of doing it is to actually select the mountains and then control click the thumbnail of the model. And you can see the outline here. And then click the mask button. And so you get a separate. And that keeps them totally separate from each other, which is kind of cool. As soon as you unlock between the mask and the mountains, you can move the mountains. You need to click on the mountain thumbnail. And now I can come out here with my move tool. I can move this around until I find something really cool and it looks, just the way I want it to. So I'm going to play with that for a little while. As soon as you finish, um, if you did go to Edit Transform and move things around this direction, make sure you confirm.